Lepe Tendwell Family, you know what it is. It is Friday, that special day of the week where everybody it's just a better vibe. Lots of really good energy. So let's start off with what I did this past weekend. I was at the NAHREP event. There was 5,000 people that flew in from all around the country, and we were at the Hyatt downtown. It was awesome because I got to speak on a panel in the same event where President Obama spoke on Sunday. So I heard he did awesome. I wasn't there. Why? Because I flew into San Antonio, Texas, and I was out there masterminding with some of the best realtors in the industry. That was my weekend. Just lots of work, lots of meetings at the NAHREP event. And when I came back, I just met with a lot of friends, a lot of clients. I got some new clients from around San Diego and from New York, which is cool because you really don't deal with too many people from out of state here in San Diego. I did some open houses for brokers. So I sat at some open houses and I went and I pitched properties because the market has shifted. So now we're doing a little bit more marketing to try to sell our clients' properties. I went to Baya's House of Hope, which is a nonprofit organization that helps. It's actually pretty cool. It helps single parents, single moms, single dads raise their kids with special needs. So they provide them with housing, with food. So I went to a charity golf event yesterday, spent a lot of money. That way it helps the foundation just be able to help more people. So that was pretty awesome to be around all those people. I worked out finally after 2 weeks, so my body feels a lot better. I did that this week. And my weekend plans, I'm going to happy hour today. Hosting a happy hour, actually my first ever that I'm hosting, so I'm excited about that. Then I'm going to a Padres game afterwards. I think it's the first Padres game I've been to this year. And I'm going to another charity golf tournament to support a friend for a good cause. I'm doing some open houses. I'm doing my Saturday morning walk, which is going to be awesome. And of course, it's the first of the month, so I do my personal budget just to make sure that I'm on track, I'm not overspending, and I'm saving money at the same time. And I'm going to my friend's birthday party, so it's gonna be a jam-packed weekend. Probably won't get any sleep, but it's all right. All right, enjoy your weekend. We'll talk later. Peace.